Guys, it's J Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a small little makeup tutorial, a nice little eyeshadow and eyebrow tutorial. So here I am shaping out my brows. This is one of my most favorite things to do when it comes to my makeup. I take my eyebrows very seriously, so I'm just shaping them out, filling them in, going over the other brow to make sure they're at least cousins. They don't always have to be sisters. And here I'm shaping and framing the brow with a little concealer. A little goes a long way. The most important thing with this is making sure that there's no lines. You want to make sure everything gets blended out well. And you can never blend too much. So blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going behind with a more fluffier brush to make sure there's no lines and everything gets blended out. And then the brows are done. So here I am showing you my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. And I'm going to take a brown color, go within my crease and a little further up onto that brow bone and just blend it out. And here I'm showing you the color that I'm using out of the palette. And then you can see me blending it into my crease, and then taking it just a tad bit upward so that it falls beneath my brow a little bit, right in between that concealer that I put under my brow and my crease. So I'm just blending. You can never over blend. The more blending the better. So I'm just doing that with the other eye. And it was just a light brown. Then I'm taking some concealer. I'm going to shape out my eye. This is actually one of my second most favorite thing to do whenever I do eyeshadow. I'm going to shape that eye out with that concealer, honey. I'm just going to blend it out. You know you focus when you're biting your lip. And as you can see, that eye is shaped perfectly. You can see that shape, which is what you want. Then I'm just setting that with a lighter eyeshadow. Okay, I was feeling myself. Okay, I was like, okay, eye, come through. And then I'm just going to do that with the other eye. Shape it with a lighter concealer. Blending. Like I said, you can never blend too much. The more blending, the better. Then I'm just going back and setting that eye with some powder, a lighter eyeshadow. Okay, and then I'm just taking some more of the brown shadow to blend them together. And as you can see, that still frame, I want you to see how the colors are mashing together beautifully. Okay, come through eyeshadow, come through eye. This is actually Saweetie's, the rapper Saweetie's eyeshadow palette that she released through Morphe a couple years ago. It's a beautiful palette, and I'm just going to take that bright orange color, and I took that within my crease. I took a little bit of that just to add a pop of color. I'm blending that into my crease. And it's basically falling over the brown shadow and over the crease. Okay, so here I'm going in with my liquid black eyeliner by Stella. And I am trying my best to get the most perfect straight line. The line has to be straight. I take that very seriously. Okay, so we're just getting it as straight as can be. Okay. I'm just going to go over that repeatedly. To make sure there's no spaces or anything in between the shadow and the liner. Look at that. Look how straight that is. I had to freeze that, y'all, so y'all can see how straight that liner was. And then I'm taking a little bit of a lighter, more metallic eyeshadow. I'm taking it right over that brow bone. And that shade is from the Sweetie palette as well. And then I went in and picked up some sparkles, glitter out of the Sweetie palette. And I'm taking that right over my eyelid. Super pretty. I wish she would have came up with more stuff. Her little makeup run with Morph was beautiful. The lip glosses were amazing. This palette was everything. And then she had like this peach setting spray that smells so good. Oh my god. So then I'm using my black liner. I'm going to take that under my eye. Just going to do a nice little line under both eyes. And then we're going in with my Dior mascara. Again, a lot of the products I use, I've been doing makeup for years, so a lot of the products that I use are on the expensive side, but if you don't have it, that's fine. Make it do what you have, okay? You're still gonna look beautiful regardless. Use what you have and look bomb. Period. I'm just taking a little mascara on the bottom lashes, and then I'm lining my lips here with a Juvia's Place liner, and I'm going in my Dior lip gloss. I love this gloss. Dior's glosses are just amazing. Okay, little kissy face, a little hair flip, and that's the finished look. A little eyeshadow and brow tutorial. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for tuning in. See you next video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at BougiJ. Bye, guys.